Participating in a law clinic here at Minnesota gives students the opportunity to apply what they have learned in class to actual cases involving real clients. Law school can be a very intimidating environment for students, and many of them are left questioning, particularly after their first year of law school, if they made the right choice. And I think clinics provide students with the opportunity to see that they made the right choice, that they can practice law, that they can be effective lawyers, and it also helps them to address some underlying social problems, which in many cases is the reason a lot of students go to law school in the first place.
So when you start off in the clinic, you're a little nervous and you're like, are they going to see right through me? Are they going to realize that I'm just a not lawyer yet wanting to be a lawyer? And then by the end of the year, they go to you and they start asking you questions about their case, and you feel empowered to answer it and you feel skilled to answer it.
I think the most exciting aspect is not only watching your client receive benefits of your work, but also the collaborative process that you go through with other students on the team.
One of the most meaningful aspects of clinic is the incredible mentorship and supervision that you receive from your clinical faculty. I learned so much from the feedback and review and help that my clinical professors, both law school faculty and adjunct professors, provided.
Honestly, so much of what's been foundational for my career now, I learned in clinic. I have a lot more clients now, but building relationships, interviewing them, knowing which questions to ask, and how to think about telling their stories has served me well every day.
So here at University of Minnesota, we have one of the oldest and most extensive clinical programs in the country. We have over 25 clinics in a variety of issue areas, working on advocacy projects in courtroom litigation, legislative advocacy, administrative advocacy, outreach, and education. Some of the most recent examples of the ways that we are responding to immediate social problems are our racial justice clinic. We have an appellate advocacy clinic on civil rights issues. We have our clemency project, and we have our new gun violence clinic.
If you're looking into a clinical experience, I think no matter what clinic you land in, if you are coming in to help people, you'll have an amazing time.
The surprising part of being in the tax clinic was really realizing that it's not this dull part of the law, but really we're helping people be relieved of financial burden or give them money where they really need it.
So seeing a bill that would go out to a client really gave me a sense for the cost barriers that exist for many small businesses and need legal services. And it feels amazing to be able to provide those services that might otherwise be inaccessible to a small business that needs them.
My client, who had a safe deposit box dispute with a bank, lost her entire life savings, and I was able to help her get that back and reach a settlement with the bank.
Last year, I was privileged with a group of students to work on an asylum case for a trans Honduran client, and that was an incredibly rewarding process.
The most meaningful experience I had in clinic was getting custody of a young child for two of our clients. It was a year-long custody battle, and I know that all of the work that we put in and clients put in over that year is going to make such a positive difference in that child's life.
In multiple of our habeas corpus petitions, our clients were released from ICE custody after the court entered their order, and we had the incredible opportunity to watch someone be reunited with their family.
While this might be a clinic experience that helps you learn how to be an advocate for a semester or for a full year, the clients we have are very much real, and everything we do impacts their lives. And I think that's what makes the clinic experience so special. Not only do you get to learn, but you get to see how your education is impacting the people around you for the betterment of their entire life.